Changing direct deposit on TurboTax. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to change direct deposit on TurboTax. So let's get started. First log into your TurboTax account and open your tax return or continue where you left off. Then go to the file section of your return. You will find step 2, refund or payment information. Click Start, Revisit or Continue. On the screen about getting your refund early, select See All options, then choose Direct Deposit as your refund method. After that, enter your bank routing number and select whether the account is checking or saving. Then review all information carefully. Submit your return to save the changes. You will get a confirmation that your refund will be deposited in your account. Direct deposit is usually the fastest method, often within 21 days after IRS acceptance. You can track your refund using the IRS Where is My Refund tool. And that's all. That's how you will be able to change direct deposit on TurboTax.